Science is the study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principles of nature. In ancient times, the scientific information was not classified into different branches, as it exists today. All the scientific information was included under one head, i.e. science. With the passage of time, scientific information increased many folds, and this enormous scientific knowledge was then classified into different branches like biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, etc. 1.1 Introduction to Biology. Biology is the scientific study of life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning thought or reasoning. In the course of biology, we will study how man has thought about living things. To understand and appreciate nature, it is essential to study the structures, functions, and related aspects of living organisms. The study of living organisms also provides information and remedies to human problems regarding health, food, environment, etc. 1.1.1 Divisions and branches of biology. There are three major divisions of biology which study the different aspects of the lives of the major groups of organisms. Zoology. This division of biology deals with the study of animals. Botany. This division of biology deals with the study of plants. Microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, etc. In order to study all the aspects of life, these divisions are further divided into different branches, as defined below. Morphology. This branch deals with the study of form and structures of living organisms. Molecular biology, biochemistry, deals with the study of the molecules of life, e.g. water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Anatomy. The study of internal structures is called anatomy. Histology. The microscopic study of tissues is called histology. Cell biology. The study of the structures and functions of cells and cell organelles is called cell biology. This branch also deals with the study of cell division. Physiology. This branch deals with the study of the functions of different parts of living organisms. Genetics. The study of genes and their roles in inheritance is called genetics. Inheritance means the transmission of characters from one generation to the other. Embryology. It is the study of the development of an embryo to new individual. Taxonomy. It is the study of the naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. Paleontology. It is the study of fossils, which are the remains of extinct organisms. Environmental biology. It deals with the study of the interactions between the organisms and their environment. Sociobiology. This branch deals with the study of social behavior of the animals that make societies. Parasites are the organisms that take food and shelter from living hosts and, in return, harm them. Parasitology. This branch deals with the study of parasites. Biotechnology. It deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. Immunology. It is the study of the immune system of animals, which defends the body against invading microbes. Entomology. It is the study of insects. Pharmacology. It is the study of drugs and their effects on the systems of human body.